and we'll get you this latest updates from Hyderabad of the biggest consignment of Sputnik V vaccines that has arrived and has been delivered to Dr. Reddy's laboratories, which will be then distributed and administered to people. So Sputnik V vaccines have arrived this morning in Hyderabad. This is the biggest consignment we're given to understand of Sputnik V vaccine that has arrived. It arrived at 3:40 a.m. and was moved safely and delivered to Dr. Reddy's laboratories. It is the biggest consignment of COVID-19 vaccines to have arrived in Hyderabad so far. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Aneri to give us more information. Aneri, good morning to you. Hyderabad receiving its biggest, vaccine batch, this time from the Sputnik V vaccines, and it has been delivered to Dr. Reddy's laboratories. That's what we're given to understand this morning. Do give us the latest updates on that. Well, we seem to have a little bit of audio issue with my colleague, but we're going to get us, she's going to get us updates very shortly of the largest batch of Sputnik vaccines to have arrived in Hyderabad. We are tracking for you all the latest on the COVID vaccination in the country. And right now, what we're getting to understand is that the biggest Sputnik V batch has arrived in Hyderabad this morning. Dr. Laboratories received that batch of COVID-19 vaccines. About 56.6 tons of Sputnik V doses landed in Hyderabad this morning. Sputnik V vaccines landed at about 3:40 a.m., having moved and delivered safely to Dr. Reddy's laboratories, one of the biggest consignments to have landed in Hyderabad so far. Now remember, the nation is currently getting vaccines from many countries. Foreign aid has been pouring in. There has been many tie-ups with the vaccine manufacturers, and Sputnik V vaccines have arrived in India now. Back with me on the broadcast is my colleague Aneri. Aneri, what more information you can tell us with regards to the consignment of Sputnik V vaccines?
Well, now the Sputnik V vaccine, which has arrived from Russia to Hyderabad, well, this is the first largest commercial consignment which has arrived of 3 million doses. And as we have been seeing, 2 vaccines already in rounds where people have been taking Covishield and Covaxin, and now we see the third vaccine, that is Sputnik V, will be distributed to various states across the country, and we will be starting the largest inoculation drive as well, as we have already seen Covishield and Covaxin. But now Sputnik V also, people will have the third option of Sputnik V, where they can choose their own vaccine, and this is the largest consignment which has arrived from Russia of 3 million doses to Hyderabad. And now these vaccines have been moved to the Dr. Reddy's warehouse, and from there they will be moved to various respective locations as per the demand which is being raised by the state governments. And also at this comes as a big relief when we have been seeing various states talking about the shortage of the vaccine in their particular state, and now 3 million doses from Russia, which is the largest commercial consignment which has arrived from Russia to Hyderabad and now later moved to Dr. Reddy's warehouse. And now after that we will be seeing Dr. Reddy's moving the consignments to its respective states in regard with the demand which has been raised by the state governments.
Absolutely, there a big vaccination drive you're expecting shortly with the Sputnik V vaccines having arrived from Russia in Hyderabad. Thank you so much, Aneri, for joining us on the broadcast.